All right, class. Wow, super weak. Rafa.
What's up?
What's up? Okay, Brooklyn. Yeah, wow, okay. All right, anyway. I know, right? Okay. So, let's go through, and I'm hoping you guys participate a little bit better than that right there. So, today, hashtag what? 51. Today's date? There we go, 2020s. Now, on this problem right here, I'm going to start with identifying where A is, because it is kind of hard to see for those people following along at home, where it should be Rafa. Okay, so we're going to go from A to each one of these items over here. So whenever we do this, you always want to pick a single point on that graph or on that function. So I'm picking this one right here at 0, 0. At 0, 0. So A is going to move to B. Okay, so what am I going to do to that?
Right.
It's right.
6.
Okay, good. Simple notation is fine.
Keep up or 6.
No, too simple. Okay, how about A to C?
Down 3.
Down
4. 5.
down 5. Very good. Down 5. Anything else? Left 3. Down 5, left 3. All right, A to D.
To the left 6.
Left 6. Are you sure?
Left 7.
There you go. Left 7. Left 7. From this point all the way to that same point right there. Okay, I'm sorry. All right, A to E.
Up 6.
Up 6?
Up 6.
Up 6.
Yeah. And last one is going to be A to F.
Up 3.
Up 3 and right 2.
Up 3, right 2. Super easy, right? All right, now, this right here. Okay, new hours for the kitchen. So yesterday, on the problem that we had the temperature in the kitchen. If you guys remember from yesterday's problem, what was the normal temperature?
65.
So it started at 65, right? Okay. So bakery started at 65 at 5 a.m. Temperature rises to 85 due to the ovens, everything else. Then they're turned off at 10. The owner decides right here. Now here is the example of that.
The same problem as yesterday.
Yeah, this is with the graph from yesterday. So the graph from yesterday, what I did though, I gave them 2 hours to cool down yesterday. So ours was slightly different because it actually went from here to cool down.
Is that now enough?
Yeah, but now it's only 1 hour. 1 hour cool down. Okay, so Andre thinks that when it starts baking 2 hours earlier means that you subtract 2 from x, and that g of x is equal to h of x minus 2. All right, so for this right here, do you guys agree on that? Okay, so, okay, aren't we moving the whole thing? So the whole thing goes over, doesn't it? So everything is going to shift, but it's shifting opposite of this. It's not just moving 2, okay? It's not moving 2 that way. It's actually moving opposite that. So if you guys remember back in the day, I think you had it in Algebra 1 where you had a function, it looked like this. So I said f and I still wrote a g. F of x is equal to a quantity x minus h plus k, like this. Do you guys remember that? Okay, so this is in vertex form. So I'm just going to go with this because some people remember it, others do not, because other people are on their cell phone right now texting away. Okay, because it's super important. It's more important than everything else. Angel, please put it away.
I'm literally almost done.
You told me that a minute ago.
You made me do my work and I did it.
Disrespect the president.
I know, right? No respect here. No respect at all.
You disrespected.
Huh? I do. Oh, I'm sorry. I disrespected you. I apologize. No, forgive me.
I didn't say that.
Okay, good. Okay, so
Just like-
for this one right here, if you guys recall, this one is also, if I'm moving left and right, it's always going to be backwards. The function is always going to go backwards. So now what we're supposed to do for this, it should be a +2 here. Because when we did this previously, you guys did it in Algebra 1, I guarantee you did do it. So instead of just minusing 2 from this, it actually is opposite. So it should be g of x is equal to h of x plus 2. That's how the shift goes when you're full of shift. And yes.
Push it out, right?
And I know that I don't need to remind anyone in the far back corner sitting in seat number 4 that their headphones should be away along with their phone. Yeah, you're number 4.
Excuse me, but I'm trying to thank you.
Thank you. Put them away, please. All right. Huh? I know. They're going away, aren't they? Yeah. What?
And do you see how is on edge?
Right here?
Yeah, edge x minus 2.
Yeah, this is wrong.
That's wrong?
Yes, this one is wrong. And that's what I'm saying. This is because it says understand the error. So we're looking for the error. Okay? Just pause the video. Hey, shh, please, you guys. Fatima, Dahlia, please pay attention up here. So, on this one right here, the graph F shows the temperatures after a change in thermostat. What did the owner do? I'm going to trace over it. All right, what did the owner do now?
70 he started.
And starting at 70, right? Okay, and what did the temperature go to while I was cooking?
90.
Goes up to 90, right? So what happened to the entire function?
Shifted up.
Yeah, so it went up, right? Up how much? 5 what?
Degrees.
There we go. Goes up 5 degrees. All right, so now on this one, now we're going to write an expression for this. Okay, write an expression for f. So f of x is equal to what? What do you think it should be? H, right? It's the h of x plus 5. Very good. That's all we got to do. Because the whole thing shifts up or down. And this one is going up here. So it's whatever my previous function is, plus 5. It looks just like that on the homework too. All right, so also right here, see this right here? Now, this is what I need you guys to do right here if you guys pay close attention. If you don't pay close attention, then you're going to be really mad at me. Okay, because this one is a little bit more complicated. Actually, it's way too complicated because it's with the regression. So we don't need to do this right here. But if we're looking at the functions, here, on this one right here, all they did is they moved the whole thing up. They moved the whole regression up. So you just added to that. This one over here, if you notice, the y values are the same, right? Okay, this is from the summary. So I have my, whatever this is, so my k of t. So it's going to be h of t minus 5. So this is from the summary right here. You just have to be able to identify it for almost all your homework. Okay? So we're done with the notes.